We had to get that one in.
She set me up for it. I didn't want to see it.
Go, go!
Chris is a love.
I'm not quite.
15 love.
Here we go, come on.
She's good.
3 kids under like 5.
Oh my gosh.
That's good effort.
Oh, you.
Go, go.
It's 40 love.
I knew it would throw you off. Throw me off too, to have 2 lazy bees in the family. Oh, that's awful. You faked me out.
Tricked you.
40-15.
It was a perfect fake for an old lady. Not you being the old lady.
Here we go.
I got it. I think I got it.
Great effort.
I need a new hamstring.
Get ready. It's up there.
Chris Evert, the famous lob. And it's 40 all. Next point wins the game. Shriver, Thicke, you need this game. It's 1-4.
Hey, try the one that's like 8 feet or under. Yeah,
You're
yeah.
either going to miss it or win the
Okay.
And Shriver didn't win that game. David could deserve. It's 4 games to 2.
We're fighting back.